Hey everyone, this is Corbin with Hartnell Chevrolet, and I just wanted to take a quick moment to show you how to save a quick home destination in your navigation system. So you'll click on Nav, go to Destination, Address, then you'll type in the address that you want to save for your home address. So in this case, we'll start with the city name being Salem. Then you go to the street name, then your house number. Once it's all entered, you click the check mark up in the right hand corner. Then you get this screen. You'll want to hit save to save your destination. It'll tell you that it's been successfully stored, so you'd press OK, or it'll disappear after a few seconds. After you've saved it, you hit this back arrow in the upper left hand corner twice to go to the home screen. Then you click on Contacts, click on the address that you just saved, then you click on Edit Contact over on the right hand side. This top screen in the top box, you click on that, and that's where you will enter home or whatever you want it to say. So we'll just enter home. In the upper right hand corner, there will be a check mark with a floppy disk to save it. So you will save it that way. Go down here, hit save, and you've successfully saved your home address. So then in future cases or references, when you want to go to your home address, you'll click on Nav, go down to Destination, click on Contacts, then you'll find Home, then you click on the address up here, and click on Go.
The route calculation is complete. Please proceed to the nearest road.
And now to cancel your navigation, you'll hit Menu in the lower right hand corner. Then you go up to Cancel Route, and it's canceled your destination. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any other questions, please give us a call back at 262-843-2361.